For today's look, you'll need a selection of products: coconut curling jelly from Aunt Jackie's, a brush, paddle brush, got to be glued, a medium bristle smoothing brush, rat's tail comb, cream of nature leave-in conditioner, curl la la from Aunt Jackie's curling custard, an edge brush, a ponytail holder, bobby pins, a wide tooth comb, some scalp serum, and of course your water in your Flairosol water bottle. Now I'm starting this style on 4-day-old hair that has just come out of a braid out. I just had my hair in cane roll under my wigs as a protective style, so I want to re-moisturize and wear my hair natural. First things first, you want to spray your hair with water, the essential moisturizer, H2O baby. When you're spraying your hair down with the water, it's really important that you want to make sure that all of your hair, the crown, the edges, the back, all the lengths and ends of your hair are covered for full moisturization. Now I'm going to add to my moisturization with my two creams, the Curl La La from Aunt Jackie's and the leave-in conditioner from Cream of Nature's Aloe and Castor Oil range. So you just want to make sure you're getting full coverage of all your strands from your edges to your lengths to your ends, because they are the oldest part of your hair, so we want full moisturization. I find that my edges get quite dry, so I like to concentrate on those because of the gel products that I use. So you just want to make sure every single strand of your hair is getting the love it deserves. Now I'm just spending a minute luxuriating in the moisturized hair. As I said before, concentrate on those ends. If you want to retain length and grow your hair long like mine, you need to moisturize those ends. And now we are parting, because I favour a middle parting for my ponytail styles. So you know how it goes, simple rat's tail comb operation. Some people use the rat's tail end, I just use the comb end. Whatever works for you. Now you're going to use your paddle brush to smooth down your hair to the point where the ponytail holder will be. It's a little hack, so you know, curly girl friendly. We're not combing through all the lengths of our hair unless it's wash day and there's a bunch of conditioner with slip in it, because that leads to hair breakage and then you will not achieve your length goals. So this is a nice little hack where you can get the sleekness and the slickness without raking through the lengths of your hair, because it's all about hair health at the end of the day. Now we're going in to set all of our good work with the Curl Boss Jelly Gel from Aunt Jackie's. Now to be even more extra, we're going to smooth it down with our medium broad bristle just before the gel sets to make sure everything is laid, honey. Now get your ponytail holder and put that pony in check, baby. You know what it is, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black. It's the got to be glued Schwarzkopf gel. That is actually what I used to lay my edges. Forget about these other edge controls, wax, edge booster, all that crap. This is the shit that will have your shit laid, and it will be stuck and it isn't going anywhere until you shampoo it out. And that's the kind of reliability that I need in my life. I need that kind of reliability for my relationships, and I need that kind of reliability for my hair products. Something you can trust, it will not let you down. And as you can see, I just love bringing out those little Ashanti side buns. So you can style your hair any way you want. I'm not actually adding any baby hairs around the rest of my edges. I'm just smoothing down the hair on the sides and then bringing out my little Ashanti sideburns, because that's what I like. But hey, feel free to customize it any way you see fit. My hair just cannot have enough moisture, so I'm going in with my water bottle and putting some more moisture into my pony because I want it to be luscious. I'm even going in with some extra creams and a teeny weeny bit of gel just for a little bit of definition because I want the wet look to last for hours. And now what we're going to do is wrap a piece of hair around the actual ponytail holder so that the ponytail holder is not showing and we just have that sleek wrap pony look. If you're not bothered about this, you don't have to do this, but I tend to do this with all of my ponytail styles. So we're going to wrap it round. And then I'm going to secure it with the bobby pin. Secure the pony, sis! I'm feeling myself, I'm feeling myself, I'm feeling myself, feeling myself, I'm feeling myself, feeling myself, oh yeah, I'm hot just like you love me, ooh. I'm every woman, it's all in me, I can read your thoughts right now, everyone from A to Z. As you can see, I was feeling myself. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Slay all day, every day, and stay ready. Like, share, and subscribe if you want more of this. Thanks for watching. Bye!